Hello students, welcome to UK Science Learning. This is part 9, life processes. Today we are studying excretion in human beings. So here, what is excretion? The definition of excretion is a process by which metabolic waste is eliminated from an organism. In vertebrates, this is primarily carried out by the lungs, kidney and skin. Excretion is an essential process in all forms of life. So what is the exact definition is excretion is a process by which metabolic waste is eliminated from an organism, and the process of excretion is very important in all forms of life, just because if it will not occur, the living organisms will die. So in case of unicellular organisms, what happens? The excretion process takes place by diffusion. So by through a simple process the excretion takes place. But what about the complex organisms or multicellular organisms? So the process of excretion is little complex. Okay, next, material excreted. Okay, first is nitrogenous waste, second is water and salts, third is carbon dioxide, and the fourth is bile pigment. So first is nitrogenous waste. What is nitrogenous waste? Nitrogenous waste are the substances which have nitrogen component present in them, which are very harmful for the body, like urea, uric acid, ammonia. Okay, protein, it breaks down into amino acid, and that leftover amino acid goes to our liver, and liver convert this amino acid into urea. These all urea, uric acid, ammonia, they all formed in the liver, and these waste excreted along with the urine. Next, water, salts. So water, salt, they excrete through sweating and along with the urine. Third is carbon dioxide, so it is exhaled out by the lungs, and the fourth one is bile pigment. So what is bile pigment here? Bile pigment are formed by the destruction of hemoglobin present in the RBC. What is the lifespan of RBC? Lifespan of RBC is 120 days. So what happened? Bile pigment are formed by the destruction of hemoglobin present in the RBC. After 120 days, RBC goes to the liver where the destruction takes place. With the destruction of hemoglobin, bile pigment is formed, which has to be removed from the body, and the pigment is bilirubin, which is greenish or yellowish in color. Okay, this is human excretory system. So human excretory system includes the following structures: a pair of kidneys, a pair of ureters, urinary bladder, and urethra. In human beings, kidney are the main organs of excretion. Apart from kidneys, the skin, lungs, and liver also helps in excretion. We already studied that. So what about kidney? Kidney are actually, they are the major excretory organ. They are reddish brown in color. They are bean shaped structure, and the length is around 10 to 12 centimeter. Okay, here is first is vena cava. This is aorta. So what is the function of vena cava? It brings impure blood to the heart, and this is aorta. It brings back pure blood to the different parts of the body. This is vena cava, pure blood, and this is aorta. It means pure blood. This is again renal vein. Renal vein means impure blood, and artery here. So this is red part. So it is a pure blood. So here is the kidney. So what is the function of kidney? The function of the kidney is the formation of urine takes place in the kidney. First is the formation of urine takes place in the kidney. Second is to maintain the water balance of the body, which is known as osmoregulation. It also maintains the balance of the body, which is known as osmoregulation. It also regulates the pH of the blood. Next is ureter. So ureter is a long and muscular tube. It is a long and muscular tube which passes urine which is formed in the kidney to the urinary bladder. Now the urine has reached bladder. So it is a thin walled pear shaped and it temporarily stores the urine. From urinary bladder the urine will reach to urethra. So it is a membrane tube which passes the urine to the exterior. What is the function of urethra? It passes the urine to the exterior. So just before urethra there is a sphincter muscles. Just before urethra there are sphincter muscles. They contract and relax the opening and closing of urethra for the passage of urine. What is the function of sphincter muscles? They contract and relax for the opening and closing of urethra for the passage of urine. Okay, one more thing which is important is like you are supposed to take or drink lots of water because it protects you from the kidney stone. So here, what is kidney stone? Like kidney removes waste and fluid from your blood to make urine. Right? Kidney removes waste and fluid from your blood to make urine. Sometimes what happens? Sometimes when you have too much of certain waste and not enough fluid in your blood, these wastes can build up and stick together in your kidney, and these clumps of waste are called kidney stone, which is also known as calcium oxalate. Okay, this is all about human excretory system. We will continue this chapter in the next video where we will study mechanism of urine formation. Thank you.